Today, guys, first, I'm gonna cook it.
You're gonna cook? What are you making?
Chocolate cookies.
Chocolate cookies.
Chocolate french fries.
Oh, chocolate french fries?
What the hell is this?
A thing for my eggs, okay?
What? Really?
It's an egg timer for my boiled eggs.
What does it even mean?
It tells me when my eggs are ready.
How?
I got it on Amazon.
How does it tell you?
It turns black. Say good morning. Good morning, guys. It is 9:30 in the morning. We just got back from the store. We went to go buy some bacon and eggs and beans. We're actually gonna make beans later, but we got like canned beans because Bert's gonna make breakfast. But they're gonna eat eggs and bacon. I'll probably have a little bit too. But I'm going to make my strawberry cheesecake shake. Using the wild berry and vanilla Formula 1 and the vanilla protein. I'm also gonna add some sugar fat-free jello or like pudding, and it's just gonna make it so much better. And I'm gonna show you guys how to make a dressed herba shake. So even though you're using pudding, like, it's not gonna kill you, so you can definitely use things like this every now and then. I don't make these dressed Herbalife shakes every single day. I'll do them like every now and then because I only do like 3 more dressed shakes: the banana split, the banana nut, and the strawberry cheesecake, which I'm barely gonna try to do here at home for the first time. So I'm gonna show you guys how to do that, and then I'm gonna drink it and Bert's gonna finish up breakfast. So hopefully you guys can hear what I'm saying because somebody in the back has the fan on for the bacon.
Probably extracted.
Whatever, it's a fan. So I already put my cup of water. Thanks. I'm going to put my 1 scoop of protein. And since I'm gonna use 2 flavors, I'm gonna put 1 scoop of wild berry and then 1 scoop of vanilla. And then you're going to grab some cheesecake pudding. This is sugar-free, fat-free pudding. And you're gonna grab just like a pinch of this just to give it some flavor. So from a baby spoon, I'm going to add maybe that much of the cheesecake pudding. And then you mix it all up. And then you just add ice. You mix it and then you add ice. I mentioned before that I like to add a lot of ice just so that it'll make it a little bit thicker, like a milkshake. And then I'll show you guys how to dress it and stuff. So now you're gonna grab your Belvita cinnamon brown sugar biscuits. They're kind of like crackers, but this is what you're gonna use for your crust. So what you're gonna do is crush it up at the bottom of your cup. So I'm gonna use this one, break it, so that you'll have a little crust at the bottom. I usually do like 2 of the little biscuits, and then you pour in your shake, and mine is super thick, as you guys can see. And then you can add sliced strawberries to it, but I'm not gonna, just because I'm going to eat this super fast. So to make it like prettier or like better, whatever, add strawberries. But the little crust at the bottom gives it a lot of flavor, and when you're drinking it, you like drink up the little pieces of it also, so that's super good. The gym video will probably be up on Saturday, Friday or Saturday, I'm not sure, but just be on the lookout because there's gonna be a video going up every day, hopefully. So that's it. Bert's almost done with breakfast. So
Hi guys. I got bacon. There. What? What? What's
You want scrambled?
Scramble, yeah. Get an egg. I got this. Now, Mom, we got corn, Mommy.
Hmm?
We got corn.
You got corn.
We go to the train. Oh no! My fork! Daddy, Dad, get it! Dad, get it! Hurry!
Hold on.
Hurry! Hurry!
I messed one up.
Why?
It broke. This one broke. This one's a good one right here. Now we had when we were kids. Eat it or you starve.
Alright guys, so we are on our way to the gym right now. Bert and Grecia are gonna go with me because Bert has to go film a video for Gabby. And we don't have a babysitter, so she's just gonna come along with us. Hopefully she behaves. He's gonna be setting up the hour that I'm training, and then after that I will come home with her so that he can record with her afterwards. So hopefully she behaves. She's got her toys, she's got her iPad, but I'll check in with you guys after. I definitely feel scared today because I have been working out 3 days in a row and my body definitely feels it. I'm so tired, like my whole body sore. So she didn't tell me what we were gonna target today. She just said we were not gonna do cardio and I was not gonna touch my quads. So hopefully I survive and I will check in with you guys after. Something happened. I have been out of the gym for the longest time, but I stayed at 10:07 with Bert because you guys know that he films Gabby's videos so that she can upload to YouTube and Playbook. And since Grecia was with us today because my mom had a doctor's appointment, she had to go with us. So we haven't eaten anything and like since 10 o'clock, like since breakfast, since we had breakfast. So we are starving, and last night it was like midnight. I asked a girl from here from town. She posted this. This is what I'm eating, like carne seca, but it's called homemade beef jerky bros 2 jerky bros 3. I don't know what it's called because I ripped the sticker, but they put like hot Cheetos. I think they put gummies in it, tahini, lemon, pickles, pickle juice. But since I'm not eating none of that anymore, it's just dehydrated meat with lemon and tahini, and oh my god, I got this spicy one and this is so good. So freaking good. Bert got a regular spicy one with nothing on it, like it doesn't have lemon juice or nothing. And then I got another one that is just lemon pepper. So this is what it looks like. So I have something to munch on later also. And it's carne, so normally you can eat it. Protein. But Grecia fell asleep there at Gabby's at 10:07, so she woke up and she's been kind of like crying. We don't know what's wrong with her, so she wanted to get off at the store, so we stopped here at Stripes and Bert got down with her. He'll probably buy her a slushie or something. This stuff is bomb. But I did buy some chips that are, I don't know what kind of chips, son de nopal I think, but they have chile limon on them, and they're like, según I've heard that they're like or Gabby was the one who told us a little while ago that those chips are like the healthy version of Takis. And I love Takis, so I'm gonna see, like I'm gonna open them with you guys, show you guys which ones they are, and then if they really do taste like Takis, I'll tell you guys so that y'all can go get them also. We all need that chip in our life sometimes, right? So we'll see you guys once we get home. We're gonna go make some chicken in the air fryer, and Bert's gonna make some beans for dinner. So I am so hungry, so hungry. I could eat a cow. And today's workout wasn't bad at all. We just did weights, like I actually lifted weights today. which is so crazy. And I definitely feel like I'm getting stronger as every day goes by. So tomorrow I'm gonna see if I can go just do cardio on either the elliptical, the Stairmaster, or the cycle bike. And then Friday I'll probably go do some of the machines and stuff, just so that I can get used to them. So we'll see how it goes, but I definitely want to finish off the 5 days straight going to the gym, and then rest Saturday and Sunday. So hopefully those kids are just staring at me because I'm talking to a camera. So we'll see you guys once we get home. Here they come. Bert's poking his nose. What'd you get, Mama? What'd you get? A Slurpee? You feel better now? Yeah?
Hey, I got one too.
Daddy has to buckle you up. So these are the chips that I was telling you guys about. They are Susalia Maíz con Nopal. It has fiber, non-GMO, vegan, gluten-free, and no cholesterol. It has 78 calories. They taste like those little corn, definitely not Takis, far from it, but they taste like those little yellow corn chips.
I pointed them out when we were at the store.
Really?
I said I feel like they're gonna taste like those right there. The one with the lady in the red.
They're good though. Like it's a good snack as a chip.
I already spent $6.
You already ate it. It's 5:19 and Bert's getting the beans ready.
It's way too much.
Cilantro. I just finished washing. Yeah, I just finished washing dishes. I'm defrosting some chicken that I'm going to make in the air fryer, and we're making beans. No, we're making beans in the.
You said I go all the way back there.
The pressure cooker, air fryer, and they're both from Kasori.
She doesn't even look at the camera. She screams.
Hi.
Look at the camera.
Hi.
Hello. I'm so sore, so I'm just chilling on the sofa, and Bert's making dinner. Oh, my whole body hurts. Everything hurts. Everything hurts. It's 6:25, and we're watching Orange is the New Black, season 7. And Bert's excited because he said his beans are good.
I don't know. I'm about to find out. What is that though? Look at that dog.
Oh man, it got foggy. Damn.
This might need a little bit.
Really? Why?
Like the 8 minutes que le faltaba.
Well, the chicken looks done, so I'm gonna put in the other 2 pieces and call it a day. So here's our dinner. Chicken, a bowl of beans. Grecia's not eating. She's being a little grumpy. Oh, here.
Oh, no.
Here.
I want the vlog to see how it is.
I thought you had already gotten it. Babe, I always serve you.
Yeah.
Shut up. It's so hot in here. That's why she's butt naked.
We got all this steam and then the dad going.
I know, it's really hot. Turn the fan this way. We're gonna eat. We're still watching Orange is the New Black. So I just finished editing this video, but then I realized that I didn't do an outro or anything. So here I am doing an outro for you guys. I did put a poll onto Instagram asking if you guys wanted to see a daily vlog today, which is Friday, or a workout video, and all of you guys, most of you voted for a daily vlog. So here I am uploading this video for you guys. Tomorrow, Saturday, the workout video from Wednesday will be up. So if you guys are looking forward to a workout video, then it'll be up tomorrow morning, definitely. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and we will see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.